How's it going, everybody? Welcome to Virtual History 360. I'm Mr. Wade, and today we are reviewing Florida's updated civic standards. This might be your introduction to the standard or a review before the EOC. Either way, we're going to work through this content together. It might sound complicated, but don't worry, we'll break it down. So, if you aren't already subscribed to Virtual History, do yourself a favor and click the button now so you can keep up with all of the standard review videos that will be coming out this year. So what do you say? Are you ready to jump right in with CG.1.2? Here we go. One of the key principles underlying America's founding ideas is due process of law. This means that every person is entitled to fair treatment and a fair trial under the law. It ensures that individuals have the right to present their case, confront their accusers, and have a fair and impartial decision maker. This principle is essential for protecting the rights and freedoms of all citizens. Another important principle is the equality of mankind. This means that every person is considered equal and has an inherent worth and dignity. Our founding documents, such as the Declaration of Independence, state that all men are created equal. This principle emphasizes that no one should be treated unfairly or discriminated against based on their race, gender, religion, or other characteristics. It promotes the idea that every individual deserves respect and equal opportunities under the law. The concept of limited government is also crucial to America's founding ideas. Our founders believed in a government that is restrained and limited in its powers. They wanted to prevent the government from becoming too powerful and potentially abusing its authority. The Constitution establishes a system of checks and balances, dividing power among different branches of government to ensure that no one branch becomes too dominant. This helps safeguard the rights and freedoms of the people. Another fundamental principle is natural rights. These are rights that are inherent to every human being. They include rights such as life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. Our founding documents acknowledge these rights as being endowed by a higher power, not granted by the government. The government's role is to protect and uphold these natural rights, which cannot be taken away or infringed upon without just cause. The rule of law is a cornerstone of our legal system. It means that everyone is subject to and must abide by the law, including the government itself. No one, not even those in positions of power, is above the law. This principle ensures fairness, predictability, and accountability to our society. It helps maintain order and protects the rights of individuals. Now, let's turn our attention to why religious liberty is a protected right. The United States is a diverse nation with people of various religious backgrounds. Our founders recognized the importance of religious freedom and the ability to practice one's faith without interference or persecution. They understood that religious beliefs are deeply personal and should be protected. The First Amendment to the Constitution guarantees the freedom of religion, which includes the rights to worship, express, and practice one's religion freely. This protects individuals from being forced to adhere to a particular religion or from being discriminated against based on their religious beliefs. So in conclusion, the principles underlying America's founding ideas on law and government are vital to our system of governance and the protection of individual rights. The principles of due process of law, equality of mankind, limited government, natural rights, and the rule of law guide our legal system and promote justice and fairness. Additionally, religious liberty is a protected right because our founders recognized the importance of allowing individuals to freely practice their faith and uphold their own beliefs. Understanding these principles helps us appreciate the values and ideals that have shaped our nation. By upholding these principles, we ensure that America remains a land of opportunity, equality, and freedom for all. Okay, I know you're going to go deeper into this standard in class, but hopefully now you feel a little bit more confident about the content. But I do want to hear from you. Do you have any questions about what we talked about today? If you do, leave them in the comments below. And of course, while you're down there, go ahead and hit that like button for me so YouTube knows to share this video with everyone. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And be sure to check out my other videos like the ones you see to the side over here. Make sure you watch this playlist for more videos with the updated civics standards. I also have other civics videos as well as US and world history videos. I even have videos that I've shot in 360 that you can look all the way around, so do yourselves a favor and check them out, okay? Because I know you're going to like them. For Virtual History 360, I'm Mr. Wade. I'll see you next time.